Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage tarkari. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 medium cabbage, 2 potatoes, and common Indian spices. Thoroughly wash and chop the cabbage and potatoes into small, even pieces. This uniform cutting ensures even cooking and a delightful texture. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Once hot, add a half teaspoon of mustard seeds, a half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a few fresh curry leaves. Let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add 1 medium chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add your chopped potatoes to the pan and cook them for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This helps them soften slightly before the cabbage. Then, introduce the chopped cabbage, mixing it thoroughly with the sautéed aromatics and spices. Season generously with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste, ensuring everything is well combined. Finally, cover the pan and let the tarkari simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cabbage and potatoes are perfectly tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once cooked, garnish with a generous sprinkle of fresh, chopped cilantro. Serve your delicious cabbage tarkari hot with roti, rice, or as a side dish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.